Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable when given an equation. In this video, we will be solving the equation x divided by 8 minus 1 equals 2. We will go through the process step by step to find the value of x. Let's get started. In step 1, we start with the equation x divided by 8 minus 1 equals 2. Our goal is to isolate the variable x. To begin, we need to get rid of the minus 1 on the left side of the equation. We do this by adding 1 to both sides of the equation. Adding 1 to the left side and the right side will maintain the balance of the equation. So the revised equation becomes x divided by 8 minus 1 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1. The minus 1 and plus 1 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving us with x divided by 8 equals 3. This is because 2 plus 1 on the right side equals 3. Now the equation is simpler, and we have x divided by 8 equals 3, which brings us closer to isolating x. In step 2, we have the equation x divided by 8 equals 3. Our goal remains to isolate the variable x. The current equation tells us that x divided by 8 is equal to 3. To isolate x, we need to remove the division by 8. We do this by performing the opposite operation, which is multiplication. We multiply both sides of the equation by 8. Multiplying the left side and the right side by 8 maintains the balance of the equation. So the revised equation becomes x divided by 8 times 8 equals 3 times 8. The divided by 8 and times 8 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving us with x equals 24. This is because 3 times 8 equals 24. Now we have isolated the variable x, and the final solution to the problem is x equals 24. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.